Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily update YouTube app. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments under this video. So let's get down to our topic. And first, you will need to open the App Store app on your iPhone. Next, friends, go to the search section, which is on the bottom right-hand side. Then, at the top of the search bar, you see the word YouTube. Click on it. And when you find YouTube, click on it to open that app in the App Store. After that, click on the word Update. And wait for your update to go through. As you can see, this is a fairly quick process. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes, no more. Also, in parallel, you can exit the App Store app and watch your YouTube update from your desktop screen. Because, as you can see, YouTube will be grayed out like this. And when this app is already grayed out like before, that will mean that the app has updated. This is the way, friends, you will be able to update the YouTube app on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.